Brothers and sisters in Islam, we live at a time the children, the young ones, are consistently and powerfully trained to be in control. A 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 years old has iPad or a phone or a PC, and he's sitting and he's commanding armies, and he is making decisions virtual, and he feels that empowerment. He feels he's in control. I make my own destiny. That's what these games instill in the hearts and minds of these ones. And if the child comes out, if the game has some competitor there not winning, he would become mad and upset, as if he really lost a real battle, and he would actually take this on his brothers or sisters, and you would see him upset and angry. It's a weird culture, and this is the next generation, and this trending is echoed in the media, in the movies business, in the Hollywood, Bollywood. You have this, basically you're instilling what the public school system is instilling in the children, that there is no other power but you. You make your own destiny. You control everything. So the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the one who actually in control of every little thing, is irrelevant for them. What triggered this subject is, last Wednesday we celebrated the 100 days of President Trump, and I guess the custom and the tradition that we learned here in America, that normally the administration would celebrate their successes during those 100 days. And I came across a clip where he said, I will do this. I will do this. I will fix this. I will. And every time I say it on his behalf, inshallah. Of course, this was a recap. It wasn't, he said that a long time ago, but say inshallah. Inshallah. But he didn't say inshallah. He didn't say inshallah. None of the things that he said he would do happened. None. Yeah, he came up with other things that he never promised, gasoline price, but the things that he named with I will fix this, I will change this, I will stop that, nothing happened.